Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be targeting muscles that surround our hip dips area. Now we have three gluteus muscles and most of our compound movements incorporate a lot of gluteus maximus, which is why it is important to add some accessory work targeting your gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. Now this doesn't mean you avoid your main compound lifts, so be sure to still work hard with your squats, deadlifts, hip thrusts, single leg movements and so on. And then of course throw in some of these effective moves as well to produce more muscle growth around your hip dips area. First exercise is gluteus medius kickbacks. Now with this one, you want to keep a nice straight upright posture, core nicely engaged, lean just slightly forward and hold on to whatever object you have available. Keep your body weight in the heel of non-working leg. Now once you're in that position, you want to perform a kickback using your working leg backwards but a bit laterally, as in sideways, to work your gluteus medius. Now the idea here is not to lift as high as you can. The idea is using the side hip, you want to raise the leg just enough where you can squeeze and engage with the working muscle and slowly lower the leg down, right? Be sure to keep the heel in line with your knee. Now you sure can perform this exercise as body weight and focus more on connecting with the muscle and performing the exercise correctly, and then of course after that you can throw in a loop band to add a bit more tension and to make the exercise a bit more challenging for yourself, right? Now it's highly important for you guys to understand here is that we all have hip dips because that is how the bones connect with each other in that region, right? Now what we can do is work on the muscles that surround that area to develop a bit more muscle growth and improve the appearance of hip dips, right? But please know you will never be able to completely eliminate the appearance of those hip dips area. As I said, that's because of how the bone structure is and we cannot really do much about that. All we can do is pack more muscle in that area to improve the appearance over a period of time. Second exercise is our clamshells. Now again, these can be done as body weight to begin with. The idea here is to use the side hips to perform the leg movement where you're bringing knee to knee and heel to heel whilst engaging with that side hip and making sure that you're using the right muscles to perform the move and not overusing your legs to do the movement. You can totally touch and feel the muscle that you're working on if you need to help connect a little bit more and to ensure that you are squeezing them in every single repetition. Now again, to make it more challenging, you can add resistance by adding a loop band. You can even add a dumbbell for that matter. No matter how you challenge yourself, remember it's not just about finishing the repetitions but making sure that the quality of each of those repetitions is not compromised. Now you might be asking how to add these exercises in your leg workout days, right? Now you don't have to do all the exercises all at once on the same day or whatnot. You can just pick 1 to 2 of these exercises and you can throw them at the end of your leg workout session about twice a week to really concentrate on those hip dips area, right? You don't have to overtrain a particular section just because you want to produce a bit more growth in that area. Overtraining is as bad as undertraining, so please make sure that you are doing just enough work and not overdoing something or underdoing something. Third exercise is our fire hydrants. Now again, the same kind of cues go out for this exercise as well. Using your side hips, you want to perform the movement, make sure that you are engaging with the muscles. It's not about how high you can lift your leg, it's about using the right muscles. You want to perform the movement, go as high as you can where you can engage the most with the muscle. You can squeeze your side hips and then slowly lower the leg back down, right? You want to make sure that you're performing the movement using the right muscles, squeezing at the top of the movement and feeling the burn. Now again, you can add bands or dumbbells to progress with this exercise over a period of time. Alright you guys, I hope you got to learn something from this video and you would try out these moves in your next leg workout, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay fierce. Bye guys.